Hello, hi there. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the events section of Usermaven. So in Usermaven, we get to see three types of events: auto-captured events, pinned events, and custom events. So let's start with the auto-captured events. As the name says, these are basically those events that are automatically captured by Usermaven. From button clicks to form submissions, everything is tracked automatically. So you do not need to configure anything by yourself. For example, I'm on this particular website, which is connected to this user Maven's workspace. And I want to see how many people have clicked on this button, book a demo. Now, what I will do is I will simply type book a demo in the auto captured section in the search bar. And that's it. I got the results. We have received around 661 clicks on this Boca demo button. And if I need to check the details, I can see from here. The conditions applied are label text is Boca demo, destination source page URL is this, and CSS attributes are these. Right? Then coming to the pinned events section. While auto captured events are basically all about convenience, pinned events help you capture those specific actions that matter most to your business. So if I need to create any pin event, I can easily do that, making use of these elements: label text, CSS attributes, source or destination page URL, HTML element ID, or name. So these are the examples of pin events that we have already created. So we can track any specific page view or button clicks or form submissions, anything relevant to the front end quite easily using auto captured events and pinned events of Usermaven. Now to this custom events part. So if there is anything related to the backend that we want to track, for example, how many people are signing up for our tool, how many people are making a purchase, uh, and we want to track relevant revenue-based values as well, then comes the custom events. We have a very concise guide on custom events. The process is very quick and accuracy is spot on. We simply need to pass these values for whatever custom events we are willing to track, and that's it. So in this case of Content Studio, we can get the data from these custom events, that how many people have connected their social accounts or signed up or created the social post, completed the onboarding, verified their emails, and of course upgraded their plans. And I can click on any particular custom event to see its detailed activity log like this. And I can also see the values that are passing through in terms of currency, price, product, transaction ID. So yes, this was all about user Maven's events section. These are very easy to understand and even simpler to execute, but super impactful in results. So please try it out. And if there comes any query, we are just a message away. Thank you.